Hello everyone, welcome to the second tutorial of the Indian classical singing lessons. Today again I will be covering two aspects. In the first one we will be singing the notes and I will be introducing sargams. I'll go on to tell you what that is. And the second aspect being how to open out your voice. So it's a part of vocal training. I will teach you how to sing with an open voice. But before we get started, I wanted to make sure that last time around you were able to set up the scale. It's very important to sing to a scale or sing alongside an instrument. That goes a long way in ensuring that your notes are correct in perfecting your notes and swar. The easiest way to do that is to stream the Tampura A scale on YouTube. So most likely you would need a second device for that. If you're watching this video on say your laptop, you can have a smartphone at the ready and open Tanpura A scale on YouTube and sing to that. You can also download an app, a Tanpura app, which is easily available on iTunes or Google Play Store. I will be mentioning some links in the details of this video, so you can check those out. Let's get started. If you have your scale ready, I'll just sing the 7 notes again so that that can be a part of your practice routine before I start the sargams. Sing along with me. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Let's sing in akar. Now I will be starting the sargams. Sargam, also known as alankar, is a combination of the 7 notes, and that is used basically to train our voice, to give our vocal cords the exercise they need. So it's a very simple explanation for the children. For instance, when you play a sport, or you go for a run, it's very important to warm up, right? You warm up your muscles by stretching, exercising, and so on. Similarly, before you start singing full scale, it's very important to give your vocal cords, your voice, that exercise or that warm up. So the sargams or the alankars are nothing but exercises for your voice, all right? And we will be doing simple combinations of the 7 notes. The first sargam that I'm doing today is sa sa re re ga ga mama, which is basically just singing each note 2 times, and the same we will be doing in akar. Sing with me. Sa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa da ga ni ni sa 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 ni ni dha dha pa pa ma ma ga ga re re sa sa. Now in akar. Now we will be singing the second sargam, which is each note sung 3 times. Sa sa sa, re ga ga ga, and so on. Let's do it together. Sa sa sa, re ga ga ga, ma ma ma, pa pa pa, dha dha dha, ni ni ni, sa sa sa, sa sa sa, ni ni ni, dha dha dha, pa pa pa, ma ma ma, ga ga ga, re re it's very simple, but it really goes a long way in improving your voice quality and your grasp over the notes. So our main aim in these tutorials will be to sing the notes correctly, and every time we sing the notes we're going to try and hit the right note. So that's very very important and must be in your focus. Now let's get to the second aspect of this tutorial, which is vocal training, how to sing with an open voice versus a throaty voice. So a throaty voice would sound a bit like this. And an open voice, which comes more from the gut rather than the throat, would sound like this. So singing in from your gut not only affects the volume but also on your delivery, how you channelize the voice, right? So even while speaking, you can speak in an incoherent way, like you can speak with your mouth a little closed and a little softly and not really like speak like this, or you can speak out more clearly, with a proper voice modulation, channelize your voice correctly, right? So the same analogy applies to when we are singing. Is how should we sing with a more open voice and channelize our voice so that it sounds good. So I will be following the same technique that I used in the last tutorial, which is to sing the bass note sa over an elongated period of time. And this time we're going to try and focus on singing the note from our gut rather than just our throat. So sing with me, take a deep breath and try and open out your mouth a little. Alright, and this technique we have to follow in every time we are singing. Any note that we sing, any song that we sing, we're going to try and sing it with an open voice rather than a closed throaty or a more of falsetto kind of a voice. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me today. Tomorrow, in the next tutorial, I will be talking a little more about how breath control affects being able to sing out more openly. So thank you, and watch out for the next video.